Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to today's math lesson. And we are going to first do a quick little review. So before I continue, I'd like you to get either a whiteboard and marker, paper and pencil, or your worksheet if you were able to have them. Okay? So today, this is just a little check from your previous lesson on an analog clock. And as a reminder, the blue hand on the clock is the minute hand. And when it faces the 12, we say o'clock. Okay. And the red hand is the hour hand. So let's look at number 1. Okay. What number is that pointing to? That's right, the 8. So 8 o'clock. Very good. Now, look at number 2. 5 o'clock. Very good. Now, I'd like you to do numbers 3 and 4 on your own, and then I will show answers. Okay, so for number 3, if you wrote 9 o'clock, you are correct. And for number 4, if you put 1 o'clock, you are correct. Good job. Okay, erase and let's get ready for our next part. All right, what time does the clock show? All right. If you colored in for 7 o'clock, you were correct. Good job. So our lesson today is going to be about digital clocks. And you probably are very used to seeing digital clocks around your house and at school. Okay. So most appliances and probably even your iPad or computer that you're looking at right now has a digital clock. I see you pointing. Okay. Other things that have a digital clock are like my cell phone. Okay. Shows the time right there. And think of in your kitchen, where else might you have one? Right? Stove, microwave oven, things like that. Some families, they like to have a little clock next to on a nightstand or a table next to their bed. Okay. And yes, even maybe on your TV. Very good. So they're around the home quite a lot. Okay. So let's look at this. Quinn leaves the house and returns at the times shown. Write the times on the digital clocks. So on the orange clock, it shows leaves the house. Okay. And that's kind of cool. Has both the hour and the minute hand. All right. Yes. So let's write right here. Let's see if I can do this neatly. What time it is? 12. Ooh. And for o'clock, we put 0, 0. Very good. Okay. Now look at the next clock. She returns home at what time? That's right. 9. Okay. Doesn't want to do that. O'clock is when she returns home. Good job. So for your math lesson today, you will just look at analog clocks that are shown on your paper. Okay. Try not to rush. Okay. Check your work and you can send that to me for today's lesson. Okay. So good job, boys and girls, and see you next time. Bye-bye.